Hello everyone, this is Aaron Spieth, again. So today I'm going to show you how to make candle holders out of hemp and Powerade lids. So here's all you need. You'll need scissors, glue, hemp, bottle caps, or the bottle caps basically, and a glue gun, and an optional thing you can do is wood stain. So first off, you will have to take on the caps, take one of these and start gluing along the top edge before it twists all the way around. Be careful not to burn yourself, because I've done it plenty of times. Ow, like I'm doing now with the plastic, because careful, it's gonna be hot. So there's this. Make sure it's even, sure it doesn't look wobbly. Put 6 of them on each one. So I'm gonna do another one real quick. Because see how this is? I'm gonna add one more up here. Okay, so let's make sure it's even. Okay, good to me. How about you? And then next is you're gonna take your hemp. Got this one pre-made. Well, getting together, at least I should say. And I cut that end off because I'm gonna show a little more how to do this. So when you take your hemp, and you would also take your glue and start gluing around the caps with the glue. And then wrap it around the bottle caps to make it look like it's stuck together already there. And then take this, wrap it around. What I try to do when I try to do these is don't cut the string all the way until the end of the top here to cut it. That's what I would normally do. Don't cut it in sections because it doesn't look the greatest that way. Then once this is done, let it dry, obviously. When you have it all completely wrapped. Like for example, this one here. This one complete and fixed. You can tell some of the details I tried putting on it as well, like right here. This is double layered, and up here a little bit, you can see that. Then just one strand around here to cover up a blank spot. And then the optional thing you can also do over top of this is put wood stain on it. Let that dry, and it'll may smell, but it gives it a different effect. Because there's also this one. This one was wood stained. This one wasn't. Obviously you can tell the different hemp textures, but they're still basically the same thing. And if you want to make more than just the one small size, the small size makes 6 caps. A medium one will take about 9 caps. And then the longer ones would be about a 12 cap one. But in the end, if you have all 3 together, or you have a big one and 2 of the medium and small ones, it would make a beautiful centerpiece. So, if there's any questions, concerns, or like and or subscribe underneath the link below, and thank you for watching.